Shall we start? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
we'll start with yesterday we have started with the new topic, that is anti-Parkinsonism. So today we'll discuss about the classification of that anti-Parkinsonism drug and how many total 7 drugs are there. So I need to cover up today only. I want to fill mind of this topic. Okay. So yesterday we have done with our introduction, that is Parkinsonism. It is nothing but the Parkinsonisms are nothing but the syndromes which are having different kind of features on physiological system. It is comes according to the age. Now we also discussed that on what part of the brain it is going to be affected, and we also discussed that if the dopamine and acetylcholine level is in balance, then person will be healthy. He was not an Parkinsonism person, normal person. If the person is affected with that kind of disease, it means that the level of dopamine will be increased and decreased level of acetylcholine. So what we'll do, if we want to treat that person, so what we have to do, we have to make the dopamine level in balance, because it is in increased concentration, so we have to make that one in balance. Then to make it balance, we have to give the small dose of acetylcholine and balancing dose of dopamine. So that is the treatment. If it is not possible, and we have discussed about the operative, what kind of operation we can do for that person to increase the level of acetylcholine like normal person. So that also we have discussed. And today we'll discuss about the drugs which were helpful to treat this kind of disease. So anti-Parkinsonism drugs are classified into two types. 7 drugs are there. So under anti-Parkinsonism, so many drugs are there, but in your syllabus, only 7 drugs were mentioned. So we'll discuss about only those examples of the drugs which were comes under this classification of the category. Classification पूरा कर लेंगे, we'll write full classification, but example will write in front of that part of the classification. We are not going to write the almost all examples which were comes under Parkinsonism. We'll give only we'll select only those examples which were there in your syllabus. So classification of anti-Parkinsonism, I'm going to write in this format today. Anti-Parkinsonism, anti-Parkinsonism zones. Anti-Parkinson's, these are classified into two types. First one is dopaminergic drug. The drugs which are going to act on dopaminergic receptor. Dopaminergic drugs. So this is one kind, dopaminergic drugs. Then the another one classification of this category is anticholinergic drugs. Anticholinergic drug. And cholinergic, and we know that if the increased level of dopamine and decreased level of acetylcholine will leads to Parkinsonism. So we have to give to that patient drug only to increase to make the balancing of the drugs which were make the balancing of dopamine, and drugs which increase the level of acetylcholine. So that is two kind of classification: anti-Parkinsonism drugs which were acting on dopaminergic receptor, and drugs which were acting on acetylcholine receptor. The drugs which were acting on dopaminergic receptors are classified into different subclasses. बहुत सारे classes है इसके, different subclasses. So I'm going to write those subclasses: D1, D2, D3, and D4. So these are the receptors which were present in the dopaminergic neurons. So dopamine, first subclass is dopamine precursor of dopamine, dopaminic precursor. dopaminic precursors. So example of this is there in your syllabus. Dopaminergic precursor, example of the drug, the important leading drug is levodopa. These are the drugs which comes under the category of dopaminergic precursors. So first subclassification and second subclassification of this one is dopamine agonist. Dopamine agonist, against the dopamine agonist. So we know that the condition increase level of the dopamine. Okay? What we have to do in this condition, we have to make the balance of both the डोपामाइन एज वेल एज एसिटाइलकोलिन. तो उसके लिए हमको ये ड्रग भी चाहिए है, उसके लिए हमको ये ड्रग कैटेगरी वाले ये ड्रग भी चाहिए. ठीक है. सब कैटेगरी इज डोपामिनर्जिक प्रिकर्सर लाइक D1, D2, D3. So similar to that target receptor is levodopa. Another one, the drugs which were acting against the dopaminergic neurons. So this is against. The against is again further subclassified into, it is of course it is subclassification. Under this category again another subclassification, dopaminergic agonist. The drugs which were acting against the dopaminergic neurons are ergot alkaloids. So this you are going to study in your pharmacognosy subject. Against acting means ergot alkaloids. These are the natural alkaloids. So these ergot alkaloids acting on D1 and D2 agonist. Okay? So this example of these drugs were not there in your syllabus, but for writing a classification it is okay. Against D1 and D2 agonist, ergot. Then another one is non-ergot. Means these are not natural molecules, they are the synthetic one, non-ergot, but the structure is similar to the ergot alkaloid, non-ergot. Okay? Dopaminergic agonist. So this one is done, subclassification. Next subclassification of this category is peripheral decarboxylase inhibitors. Peripheral decarboxylase inhibitors. So here if it is dopamine, if increased level of dopamine and some amount of dopamine we have to oxidize. The oxidation will leads to the reduction of number of chemical entities. So we are going to do reduction, that is internal oxidation, what we have studied in our pharmacognostic pathway. In PC1 we have studied how the pathway of oxidation will be takes place at the target receptor level. So that will follow here. So उतना सारा पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है, just drug we have to study over in this semester. So peripheral decarboxylase inhibitor. Introduction to that we have studied in our PC1 syllabus. Peripheral decarboxylase inhibitor. The important drug is under this category, leading drug it is carbidopa. Okay? So carbidopa and levodopa. So if the severe case of Parkinsonism, then we can give that patient in combination this two drug in combination carbidopa with the levodopa. So in combination we can give. So these are the important category of drugs which can be used to treat the Parkinson's disease. So carbidopa, लेवोडोपा, these are the important drug. एग्जाम जो important है वो एग्जाम में आएगा. ठीक है. If I am saying important means you are going to face one or more question on that. So this one is over. Then monoamino oxidase inhibitor. Amino oxidase inhibitor at B level. A, B, C, D level of monoamino oxidase inhibitor. Target pathways are there, but these drugs acting on B level inhibitor. monoamino oxidase, B level inhibitors, 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 B level inhibitors. So example of this is also having in your syllabus, that is salicylic, salicylic, salicylic. So this is one example of the drug. Then this four subclassification. Another one important is dopamine facilitator. Dopamine facilitator. The drugs will which facilitate the production of dopamine. Dopamine facilitator. The important drug what you are having in your syllabus from this category is amantadine. So this one is also important drug, amantadine. Okay. Then another one is comet inhibitor. So comet inhibitor examples are not there, but this is one kind of subclassification. Comet inhibitor. So these are the subclassification of the dopaminergic drug. So how many drugs are there in your syllabus among this subclassification? Levodopa 1, carbidopa 2, selegiline 3, amantadine 4. Total 7 drugs are there. So remaining drugs are the miscellaneous drugs or anticholinergic drug. So remaining drugs 1, 2, 3, 4 is over. 7 drugs are there from anticholinergic drug. Anticholinergic drug against the drugs which were acting against the cholinergic receptor. Anticholinergic drug. So anticholinergic drugs also classified into two types, two subtypes. Okay. One is anticholinergic drugs are classified into two subtypes. That is, one is directly the anticholinergic agent, anticholinergic agents, and another one is antihistamine. Antihistamine. Histamine. Under this category, anticholinergic agent, you are having in your syllabus two drugs. One is benztropine, benztropine. Another one is procyclidine, benztropine, and another one is procyclidine. Okay. So this is another one drug, procyclidine. How many drugs? 7 drug I said. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and another one from antihistamine, that is. So this will help. So many, I already said that the classification is very big. So many drugs are there from different classes and different category of anti-Parkinsonism, from dopaminergic drug and anticholinergic drugs. Here in this part, in this semester, in this lecture, I am giving the example of only those drugs which are given by the university in your syllabus. So वही drug मैंने यहाँ पे. So this will help you to remember the drug from that category. In examination, it also help you to write the uses of drug if you are not clicking that time. If you are juggling that from which category these drugs will come, that time it will help you to remember to write the uses. If you are not writing anything particular technical words, if you are writing it is the drug is इतना भी याद आ रहा है एग्जाम में, if the drug is acting as anti parkinsonism, then also you will get almost all the marks. ठीक है. Antihistamine 1, it is orphanidine. Orphanidine. So this is orphanidine. So how many drugs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 drug. Total 7 drug we are going to study in this topic. So this is about the classification. The drugs which were acting on dopaminergic receptor, anticholinergic receptor. Because हमको दोनों का level सही करना है. दोनों का level सही हो जाएगा, balance में हो जाएगा, then the person will become normal. If after giving all this condition, if he was not rating, then it is major case. For that time we are going to do the operative operation on that person. So wo nahi chahiye. So we are going to study. So these are the classification. Now we'll see the drugs which were acting in this category. Structure, uses, chemical name, brand name, if any. So one thing you remember here, in this topic you don't have any kind of synthetic design in this syllabus. ये टॉपिक के अंदर कोई सिंथेसिस नहीं है. You don't have any kind of synthesis in this. ठीक है. So synthesis जितने भी थे this topic में we have covered up. So all those things I am going to forward you on your classroom on Saturday. ठीक है. Today I am going to cover up all the drugs. So कितना भी time होने दो, I am going to cover up all the drugs. ठीक है. अभी सबको सुनना ही है. So first drug from this category is, I'll go fast because I want to cover up all the 7 drugs. Carbidopa. So this is comes under the brand name of Carbidopa is a generic name. The drug's own name is a generic name. The company given name is a brand name. It is sold under the brand name of Lodocin. Okay. So the structure of this drug, of course, we are having one phenylic group. We are having this benzene and one alcohol. Over here I am drawing the structure of carbidopa. So always I am going to suggest you that sit along with pen and paper and write the structure along with me, because it will help you to practice the structure. CH3 over here and NH and NH2. Because of this, it comes under the class of aromatic hydrazine derivatives. ठीक है. यहाँ पर 2 NH है. That's why it is comes under the class of aromatic hydrazine and its derivatives, NH and NH2. So this I am writing the simple structure. If in exam he was asking about the stereochemical structure, then you can write the stereochemical structure of that drug. We are having 2 alcohol. अगर stereochemical structure पूछ रहा है exam में carbidopa का, then you write this structure. Same structure, but here it is mentioned the stereochemistry of that structure. ठीक है. Normal structure it is. If he was asking about the stereochemical structure, then you draw this structure. CH3 and here it is NH and here it is NH2. तो और ये अपना carboxylic acid, of course here carbon atom O and OH. So this is about the stereochemistry of that structure. And this one is a normal structure. If he was asking only about the normal structure of carbidopa, then draw this structure. If he was asking about the stereochemistry of write the clear structure of write the carbidopa structure with stereochemical representation, then you write this structure. Okay. One numbering I'm going to give. Of course, we are having acidic group. So we are going to start arrays. Sorry. C double bond OH. Okay, nice, good. Method numbering there. Giving numbering 1, 2, then this one is 3. Now this one is 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. ठीक है. अब हो गया numbering. I'm going to write the IUPAC name for the structure. IUPAC name, brand name मैंने बोला Lodocin. Then IUPAC name of the drug. Of course, we are having hydroxyl group on that. On second position, we are having stereochemistry that we have to show. See, stereochemical structure. अगर structure ही normal भी पूछ रहा है, write the chemical name and structure of structure. Then also you have to write the stereochemistry of that part. So on second position, we are having 2S configuration, 2S On third position S3, on third position of this CH2, we are having 3 4 डाई, 2 हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप है अपने पास, 3,4 डाईहाइड्रोक्सी phenyl. Sit along with pen and paper and try to write the chemical name and try to practice the structure along with me. 2 hydroxide. मैं असाइनमेंट वगैरह नहीं दूंगी, मैं यही सजेस्ट करूँ कि मेरे साथ में करो जो भी करो. हाइड्रोजिनाइल, 2 on second position we are having 2 NH2 hydrogenyl. On second position only we are having methyl group. ठीक है, यहाँ पर एक मिथाइल ग्रुप भी है अपने पास. मिथाइल, मीथेन, इथेन, प्रोपेन, it is acid. So to methyl 3 already we have mentioned, propionic acid. On third we are having this connection, that connection also I have written, we have mentioned 2 methyl propionic acid. Propionic acid. 2 methyl propionic acid. The chemical name, uses of this drug, uses, it is of course it is used as anti-Parkinsonism. Major drugs which is used in this category, anti-Parkinsonism. Parkinson's, anti-Parkinson's disease. Disease, why it is disease? It is not disorder, it is disease, because it is affected with some kind of syndromes according to the age. Okay, so anti-Parkinsonism. So this is the drug, this is a brand name, generic name, IUPAC name and uses. इससे ज़्यादा नहीं, अगर सिर्फ नाम दिया है. Then second drug under this category is levodopa. Total 7 drugs are there. Levodopa. So this is the generic name of the drug. The brand name of this drug is L-Dopa. Okay. Structure is very simple. बहुत छोटा सा structure है. Very simple. We are having phenylic group. So of course we are having 2 hydroxyl group like carbidopa. We are having 2 hydroxyl group like carbidopa. Then we are having, we don't have 2 amino group. We are having the NH2. Chemical category of levodopa is aromatic hydrazine and its derivative. And chemical category of this levodopa is phenylalanine and its derivative. बहुत छोटा सा नाम है इसका. Then you can mug up also 1 2 3, but I will follow the IUPAC rules 3 4 because I believe that in this way I am going to give the correct name for the structure. याद रखूंगी तो कुछ भी लिख दूंगी मैं. 1 2 3 4 over. Numbering is over. Then we are going to write the IUPAC name for the structure. IUPAC name. Chemical name we have written. Chemical category, the phenylalanine chemical category. Chemical category, phenylalanine and its derivatives. ठीक है. So this one is done. Then IUPAC name बहुत छोटा है. On second position we are having amino group. We are going to write that one. 2 amino. On third position 1 2 3 it is. On third position we are having one connection. That connection we are going to show in a bracket, that is 3 4 dihydroxy phenyl. So methane, ethane, propane. Propionic, it is carboxylic acid, of course, COH, propionic acid. So this is about the levodopa. This is the generic name, this is the generic name, this is the brand name, this is brand name, and this one is a generic name, chemical category and IUPAC name. Uses of this drug is levodopa, L-dopa, and also another one, I think so, brand name for this drug is Syndopa. Syndopa SR. Syndopa, another one brand name for this one. Syndopa SR. Uses, of course, it is used in the treatment of Parkinson's. Parkinson's disease. So you can write anti-Parkinsonism. So this is about the second drug. Now we'll see the third drug associated with the anti-Parkinsonism. Levodopa, it's over. And next we know that salicylic. 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 And I. Salicyline. Salicyline. So this is the generic name for this drug. This is the third drug in Parkinsonism. This generic name, and brand name for this drug is Aldipril. Aldipril brand name. It is used as anti-Parkinsonism, of course, right? The structure is very simple. बहुत छोटा सा structure है salicylic का. Carbidopa, levodopa, salicylic all are having very small structures. Salicylic, and we don't have hydroxyl group in this category. We are having CH3 in this place, at this place, instead of NH2. We are having proton over here. We don't have anything of methyl group, but we are having proton and one N. Upon N we are having one methyl group. Okay. So next we are having the carbon atom and alkene, CH triple bond and CH alkyne we are having. So numbering, ये स्ट्रक्चर है अपना किसका, सेलिगेलिन का. 3 डबल बॉन्ड इज अल्काइन, इट इज द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ प्रोपियोनिक फिनाइल प्रोपियोनिक एसिड. 1 2 3 ओवर दिस मच. यहाँ पर मिथाइल ग्रुप है. So this one is different connection 1 and 2. So up to this it is methyl. Methyl is there in between. This is the connecting point of both the structure 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. The structure is like this only. Then IUPAC name for this structure. बहुत छोटा, here it is R because proton is there front of the paper. So we are going to write over here R. N-methyl. N-methyl. Another one N. N-methyl. N के ऊपर एक मिथाइल ग्रुप है, that N-methyl. And another one N, we are having connection, one unit of connection, that is one first position, one phenyl, methane is in propane, phenyl, propane, second position we are having connection, propane, 2L, we are going to close this bracket. Another one propane is there, but it is alkyne. Then we'll write prop, propyl, prop 1 ine, 3 amine, 3 amine. On third position we are having amine, 3 amine. So this is the IUPAC name for this structure. This chemical category belonging to the chemical category of the drug is belonging to the chemical category of propanamine. Okay. So this is belonging to this category. This is about the third drug, selegiline. So this is the generic name, this is the generic name, brand name, structure, IUPAC name, chemical category, and uses. Uses of this drug, of course, all the drugs are anti-Parkinson. See, we have studied under CNS, drug acting on CNS, we have studied so many topics, but all those are disorder. There we have not mentioned anything that disease. Those are the disorder. Those are the disorders which were associated with the neuron. So here it is not a disorder, it is the syndrome which is affect to the uh, individual with the age. If age level is more than 50, then may be possible that that person is going to affect with that kind of syndrome. That's why it is a disease. In that kind of situation, we are going to give all these drugs. So this is the third drug, selegiline. The next drug is amantadine. So this one is most utilized drug, amantadine and ramantadine. But amantadine is not there in your syllabus. Amantadine. Amantadine, this one is a fourth drug. The brand name of this drug is Gocovri. Gocovri. So brand name. So this one is a generic name. The normal name है उसका, that is the generic name. Then this is the brand name. So one thing you remember here, in our OC3 we have studied the nomenclature for spirocyclic compound. Why the university kept that spirocyclic nomenclature? Because here in this case you are going to get the spirocyclic structure. So this one is a spirocyclic structure. The जो amantadine का structure है, that is the spirocyclic structure in the spiral form. So many connections are there in this structure. अच्छे से देखना. Don't make noise. So many connections are there, so many rings are there, but it is represented in one form. Those structures, three rings are there. This is tricyclic compound. अच्छे से क्यों नहीं आ रहा? So one connection, another one ring which is there in this form. So this is the one connection. Numbering. So this is the structure for amantadine. Okay. Bridgehead nomenclature. Sorry, not spirocyclic. Bridgehead compound and its nomenclature. Here we are having bridgehead molecule it is. So now we are going to give bridgehead molecule ka. Here we are following that rule, bridgehead nomenclature rule. 2, and this one is 3, and this one is 4, because 3 rings are there in this. This one is 5, this one is 6, this is 7th carbon atom, this one is 8th carbon atom, and bridge is 9, 9th bridge, and this one is 10th carbon atom. Now पे एक bridge है अपने पास, one bridge, one hump which is there over here, ठीक है, and one hump over here on third atom, but it is connected. But this is an hump which can't be seen from this side. It is looking like flat structure, but this is an hump. So that will help us to write the name for this drug. See, so this is amantadine, no doubt the name itself is amantadine. One amantadine, you can write one amantadine. If he was asking about the IUPAC, no, who is asking? Examiner is asking about the IUPAC one, then you give the IUPAC name for this drug. So तीन cycle है इसके अंदर, one cycle, two cycle, and this one is two cycle and three heads. Two heads, sorry, two heads. On head is one, this one is one, and this one is three. And this one is a bridge, ninth position पे. So tricycle, tricyclo, bridgehead system. It is tricyclo 3 3 सी 3 पर एक ब्रिज 9 पर. अब यहाँ पे ब्रिज नहीं काउंट कर रहे हम लोग. वी आर काउंटिंग आउट द कनेक्शन, तीन साइकिल के हाफ कनेक्शन. ठीक है. हाउ मेनी कार्बन एटम्स आर देयर ऑन ईदर साइड ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल. ठीक है. So one side we are having 3, another one side we are having 3, and one side we are having 2. वो कैसे होगा भाई? ठीक है. Another one is 3 and 7 because we are having 3 ring. ठीक है. 1 and 1, ये बताती हूँ मैं कैसे आपको. And in bracket I am going to write 3 and 7. 3 and 7 are the humps. 1 3 and 7, these are the two humps. ठीक है. One side you are having 3 carbon atom, another side you are having 2 carbon atom. See, वो कैसे मैं बताती हूँ. From the green I am going to mark out 1 2 3 carbon atom. ठीक है. How the structure is looking, that many carbon atom, 1 2 3 carbon atom. From this side you are having 3 looking like 1. Here corners are 3. Look of that structure we have to mention tricyclo 3 3, and pointing out how many points, and 1 and 1. Here it is 1 point, here it is 1 point. 1 and 1, 3 and 7, these two are connection where this trunk this oh, sorry where this structure is situated. Means we are having two humps. If the structure is coming down, we are going to, अगर हमके अपने पास क्या बोलते हैं 3D structure होता, then we have been, I have been shown to you that how this 3 and 7, but for your remembrance writing examination it is okay. 3 3 1 1 2 carbon atom you can see from this side, 3 3 and 1 1, ये एक और एक दो कार्बन एटम. ठीक है. That I am going to make with red. 1 and 1 2 carbon atom, and 3 and 7 3 and 7 two humps, two corners situated on these two corners. Over. So this is about 3 3 1 1 3 7. How many carbon atoms are there? 8 carbon atom and one hump. It is decane. Decane. Hump, we are not going to count the hump. Decane. 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 On first position, what we are having? Amine. Of course, this is an amine or ammonium, whatever it may be. So tricyclo, this one. Either you can write this name, or you can write directly one amine, that is one amino tricyclo, whole the thing, that is one amino tricyclo. ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो आप लोग. Tricyclo, then hold this thing same. 3 3 1 1 in bracket 3 7 decade. You can go with this IUPAC name, or you can go with this IUPAC name. So this is about the amenitides. A brand name, generic name, of course this can be used as uses. Amino tricyclic chemical category, the uses is, of course, it is anti-Parkinsonism. Other uses are not there, so directly it is anti Parkinson's. The disorders which were associated with the disorder, syndromic disorder, which is associated with the anti-Parkinsonism. So these are the only 7 drugs which are there to treat this disease. ठीक है, anti-Parkinson's, amino tricyclic chemical category is amino tricyclic. So this is about the amantadine, 4th drug. Now we'll see the 5th drug, which is comes under this class. 5th drug, total 7 drugs are there. Benztropine. So this is वो जो जितने भी drugs है, all the drugs are about the dopaminergic receptor, acting on dopaminergic receptor, and these are acting on cholinergic receptor, that is anticholinergic drug. Benztropine. ठीक है. Now this is little bit big structure. Benztropine. Here you are having methyl group, of course. Okay, so this is about this. Now see some twist. So this 5-membered ring is there in this form. The structure embedded with the 5-membered ring. Okay, so this is 6-membered ring, and this one is the 5-membered ring. ये 5. This one is 6. This one is 5. So this is connected with another 2 7-membered, 6-membered ring. 2 more rings. Okay, so these are the 2 more rings which were connected to this. So this is about benztropine. This is the derivative. This is benztropine, and this is the miscellaneous class of antihistaminic drug. Benztropine belonging to the category of aromatic benzotropine. So I have to give the numbering to write the IUPAC name for this one. So we're going to start with the 5-membered ring. 1, because it is connected with this. 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now this is 5 because 5th one is connected with this. 6, 7. Okay. And this is hump 8. On 8th position we are having methyl group. This kind of bridge head system, ब्रिज को हम लोग बाद में नंबर देंगे at the end. So we are going to start from the connection of 5-membered ring which is near to the bridge. So we 6-member or 5-member which is near to the bridge. That rule says in the bridge head system nomenclature. So this is like that rule what I have followed. So no need to give the name for this because it is dibenzyl group. Then this one is azane. Then I'm going to write the IUPAC name for this drug. IUPAC name for this drug, of course, on this is the cyclic structure, but it is endocyclic because 5-membered ring is within the 6-membered ring. That's why I'm going to write for this 3 endo. On 3rd position, it is endocyclic. 3 endo. 3rd position only. On 3rd only, it is connected with diphenyl methoxy. It is connected with this carbon atom and this is connected with oxygen atom. That oxygen is connected with this cyclic system. Methoxy, diphenyl methoxy. On 8th position, we are having methyl group. methyl. On 8 only we are having aza, 8 aza, 8 aza. See, n methyl नहीं लिखेंगे यहाँ पे. We are not going to write n methyl, but this n is there in the bridge. To that bridge, methyl group is connected. So this one is aza bicyclo. Aza bicyclo. Now we have to count the corner of the carbon atom which is visual carbon atom. जो वीव है वो वीव लिखना है. अजा बाइसाइक्लो. ठीक है. On we are having one bridge, so that bridge is 1, 3 and 2. This side you leave it. This one is a bridge, 1 2 3 carbon atom, and this side 1 2 3 carbon atom this side, and 1 2 carbon atom this side, and this one is a bridge. 1 2 3 कार्बन एटम यहाँ पे एंड 1 2 कार्बन एटम यहाँ पे, और ये है अपना ब्रिज विच इज कनेक्टेड इन द रिंग. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज 3 एंडोसाइक्लिक इट इज. यहाँ पे आपको 2 कार्बन एटम नजर आ रहे हैं एक जगह पे. हियर 2, so that we have written. So this thing we have to write in a arranged order. यहाँ पे 2 को हम बाद में लिखेंगे, but here we are having 3. So this is 2 and 3. Yes, 2 and 3 done. 2 and 3 and 1, this is bridge which is connected. ठीक है, वो अंदर से connected है. So 1 octane. Octane it is. Octane. Decane nahi, octane, because this one is a bridge. Octane. So this is about the benztropine. This is IUPAC name. Chemical category already I said chemical category nahi abhi. Uses. Brand name it is. ब्रांड नेम नहीं है इसका. बेंजट्रोपाइन 50 mg ऐसे ही मिलेगा. नो ब्रांड नेम फॉर दिस ड्रग. इफ एनी कंपनी हैज गेव दैट वन, then you search out, google out that one, anti-Parkinson. So this is some 3 drugs are for your purpose. Then also I am taking because it will help you to write the chemical name. 3 drugs for your self study. कौन से 3 ड्रग्स? द ड्रग्स विच आर एक्टिंग एज एंटीकोलिनर्जिक कैटेगरी. वो आपके 3 ड्रग हैं जो आपको सेल्फ स्टडी करनी है. सो दिस इज योर सेल्फ स्टडी. बेंजट्रोपाइन, एंटी पार्किंसोनिज्म. स्ट्रक्चर I have not gave here the brand name you search google out. So because this is self study, this is used as Parkinsonism. Okay. So next drug, 4 5 6th drug under this category is procyclidine. So these are self study. For your it is self study. So one brand name you have to search out. बेंजट्रोपाइन का ब्रांड नेम आप लोग देख लो. जेनरिक नेम फॉर दिस प्रोसाइक्लिडीन एंड ब्रांड नेम फॉर दिस वन इज केमाड्रीन और प्रोड्रीन 5. Structure for this very simple. You are having this benzene ring, and to this carbon atom you are having one cyclic structure. Okay, and one hydroxyl group over here, and here you are having CH2, one methyl, another one CH2, 2 methyl. So here you are having 5 membered nitrogen containing saturated ring. ठीक है, very easy. Giving numbering is very easy. बहुत सही आप जा रहे हो. I think if you are doing 1 2 3. So this is cyclic ring. बस इतना ही काफ़ी है नंबरिंग. Very easy. Already I said that it is very easy. IUPAC name for this one. IUPAC name for this drug is 1 cyclo 1. We are having cyclohexane over here on first position. Cyclohexyl. I'm going to write cyclohexyl. And one first position only we are having 1 phenyl. Okay. Now on third position we are having pyrrolidine because it is iodine we have to apply. You know that if compound is 5-membered ring with saturation, if it is alkane 5-membered ring, then in rule we have studied that we have to apply iodine 5-membered ring. So here pyrrolidine. अगर ये डबल बॉन्ड होता तो आयोडाइन अप्लाई करते, but here we don't have any kind of double bond unsaturation. It is saturation, that's why it is pyrrolidine. So one first position L alkyl group is connected to this alkyl methane ethane propane. I'll propane of course अल्कोहल को नहीं मेंशन किया, दैट्स वाई प्रोपेन 1 ऑल. सो ओवर आईयूपैक नेम खत्म हो गया, छोटा सा है आईयूपैक नेम. सो दिस इज द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ पायरोलिडीन. This is the derivative of pyrrolidine, that is chemical class of pyrrolidine containing compounds. Okay, these are the miscellaneous drugs. It is used as anti-Parkinsonism. Of course, uses anti-Parkinson's. The last drug for this category is orphanidine. So this is antihistaminic drug. Orphanidine is antihistamine under the category of cholinergic drug, anticholinergic drug. There were two subclassification. So these are anticholinergic drugs for your self study, which is mentioned in your syllabus. 3 drugs are there: benztropine and procyclidine. Both are cholinergic drug. Then antihistamine only one, that is orphanidine. Orphanedrine, INE, orphanedrine. Okay, so this one, it is sold under the brand name of, many brand names were there worldwide, but one brand name, the leading brand name I am going to write for this drug is Invegesic. Invegesic. This is the brand name. Invegesic is a brand name, and this one is a generic name for this drug. And now I'm going to write the structure of last drug for CNS topic, anti-Parkinsonism. Subtopic of CNS, the last drug under the class of Parkinsonism. पूरा last वाला drug खत्म. With this, we are going to cover up our CNS topic, the drugs which were acting on CNS. Next, we are going to start with the drug which were acting on ANS, autonomic nervous system. So, the drugs which were acting on brain and spinal cord, these are all the drugs which were acting on the brain and spinal cord, that these drugs are acting to treat different kind of disorder as well as syndrome. If we are talking about the syndrome, particularly the Parkinsonism drug, the anti-Parkinsonism. So these are the 7 drugs for anti-Parkinsonism. Last 7th drug. This is for your self study. मुझे बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, this आपको ही करना है. Then also I am explaining because it will help you to remember the chemical name. See, what and all self study drugs is coming in your pharmaceutical chemistry syllabus. For that you have to study the brand name, all the brand name of this drug with brand name, IUPAC name, uses and structures. अगर ये आ रहा है, जो भी आपका सेल्फ स्टडी वाला है, in that part you are going to get, those are small structure, not big structure, large structure. From that you are going to get the question, convert the chemical name to structure, structure to chemical name. ठीक है, ऐसे आएगा, या मैच द फॉलोइंग काइंड, यू आर गोइंग टू गेट द क्वेश्चंस. छोटे छोटे है ये स्ट्रक्चर, 1 2 over. So this is the one unit of methyl group. Then this is another one, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Of course, then this one is 1 2. At the end, why you are joining, I don't know. 4, because of attendance you are joining. बहुत बुरी बात है ये. अटेंड किया दिखाने के लिए क्यों कर रहे हो, सीखने के लिए करो. IUPAC name for this. And the position, we are having 2 methyl group, that's why it is NN dimethyl. Of course, on second position we are having different connection. In bracket we are having 2 methyl. On second we are having different connection, 2 methyl phenyl. Last structure it is, kindly cooperate with me, last structure, 2 methyl phenyl and phenyl methoxy. This is phenyl methoxy. 2 methyl phenol, ये connection. So this phenol is methoxy group. Included, done. So we are going to close this square bracket. तो 2 यूनिट है, 2 यूनिट को एक को ब्रैकेट में लिखा और एक को स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट में लिखा. Now what is left? Ethane, methane, ethane, ethane amine, NN dimethyl ethane amine. So this is about the IUPAC name. Brand name is over. Of course, uses, it is used as antipsychotic agent. So with this we are going to done. With this we have done with our central nervous drug acting on central nervous system. ठीक है, so यहाँ तक अपना कवर हो गया टॉपिक पूरा, ड्रग एक्टिंग ऑन सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम. We have done with this. Now it is 38. ठीक है, take care. Sorry I have taken so much of time. So we have covered all the drugs which comes under the CNS topic. I have taken the screenshot of the attendance. Only 53 students were there. If because of any reasons you are joining late, then convey me on my WhatsApp state. अपने group के ऊपर convey कर देना मुझे. Okay, shall I end up my session? If you are having any doubt, then I'll continue with the doubt. No doubts?
No ma'am.
अभी तो बहुत ज़्यादा ही हो गया. चलो take care. अल्लाह हाफिज. अल्लाह हाफिज. अल्लाह हाफिज. अल्लाह हाफिज.
Allah Hafiz ma'am.
मकसूद, गुफरान, और कौन, आफरीन, असहाब तो सुन